Oh boy, oh boy. Let me just log in real quick. Okay. Yeah. This is one of the things about like starting, like not starting at 9:30. I mean, excuse me. Even still, like if we started at 9:30, that would have put us like literally right here. Which, this is no entry. This is not an entry. This would have been a breakout, so we would have been done on that first trade anyways. But if you kept trading, then yeah, these 1 to about 3 trades in a row would have been all winners. But then that would have been a crazy trade. Got $1,000 move so far, fire. Is this 4th day in a row we see this down move? Yeah. Well, yesterday there wasn't as much of a down move, I don't think. See? Actually, I stand corrected. No, yeah, yesterday was more, it pushed up, and then it pushed down later in the day. That's about 9:45. Yeah, if you If you only have Pro Plan, you can't apply. Yeah, it's Q Cloud and Q Line. Fuck, I got in a little late there. Yeah, that should have been a break even. I didn't move it down in time. Already hit 250 PTO 1 MQ. Hell yeah. Yeah, I do need a coffee. I woke up a little late. My alarm didn't go off. Got a horrible fail again. Jesus Christ. Hold up. Yeah. We're just gotta wait to see if we have like a breakout and a bounce play for buys. Damn, I'm getting in late as fuck here too. Okay, that's better. Oh my god. It's moving a bit fast today. Another fucking break even there. Haven't been getting great fills today, honestly. This one happened so fast I like manually bought there after that first box. I didn't get to put my buy limit there. So that was a break even too. See, I think probably the second box will be so 1, 2. Whoa, we'll flip these lines red. Jesus Christ, hold up. Oh. Yeah, this was one of those that I just wicked this out before printing the box. That's what just happened to me. Yeah, I just kept going. Jesus Christ. If we get wicked at that break even, this would have probably hit this would have definitely hit PT for us. We took 2 losses, then we had a winning trade, then a couple break evens. Fucking breakout is here. The fuck? Oh my god, bro. I didn't change to 2 or to 1. Whatever. I'll admit I'm struggling a little bit today, guys. That's what happens when I fucking wake up late. I'm like literally out of bed. I woke up at fucking 9:36 or whatever when I started this stream. break even or a winning trade there, just very small. And then I missed this bounce play here. Watch, this is the one that fucking runs. We're about at a break even right now for the day. I'm down 80 bucks. Yeah. Both these, this trade and this trade, if we didn't get stopped at break even just now, and I didn't miss this one, we would have most definitely hit our PT target for the day. Yeah, today's been a little rough, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit. Well, what the fuck? Bounce play. Buy stop. Might just give a push. Push. Come on, like one or two more boxes, I think we hit PT here. Yeah, there we go. Fuck. That was fucking... That was a little hectic, I'm not gonna lie. Well, we hit PT. Yeah, we took two losses, two full losses. One which should have been a break even, I just got in late. Ended up being a loss. We were down $900. And then from $900, we came all the way back up and we're up $500 now. So, good day thus far. But that's PT from me. That's gonna be it. Yeah. Lots of break evens. The one that fucked us was like the most recent loss that we took, because it was like almost instant, and then the first two losses at the very beginning, which were like 420, 460 because of slippage. But after that, it was 260 win, 85 win, 140 loss, 85 win, 260 win, 240 loss, 155 win, and then 665 win. Going away break even. This is way too much. This was too much fast for some things. Yeah, like I said, if it's your first couple days trading it, like it happens quick sometimes. You know, like you gotta be able to like I wouldn't say tell the future, but you gotta think ahead. Like where are these lines gonna? If we're green here, right? Where are these lines gonna flip red? It should be about anywhere between 2 to 3 boxes after this candle closes back below these lines, right? So with that aspect in mind, we have 1, 2, 3. So we would, if we're here, we would probably put our sell stop up here, right? Because that's where these lines flip red. Obviously, this bounce play, the moment that we have this green candle, we put our sell stop. Another one prints green, we move our sell stop up, we move our buy limit up, we get entered, and then we put our stop loss. Like right here, sell stop goes right here, buy limit goes right here. The moment that gets activated, then we place our manual stop. We have 2. That happened really fast. I don't know if it actually happened that fast. I just think that it's refreshing slowly. Let me refresh this. Okay, that should be a little bit better. Damn. My automation is up $4,000 right now. How did you get your grid box? You just have to adjust on the, when you zoom in, notice how when I adjust it, on the side, the numbers should be in 5s, and then the grid boxes will also be in 5s, and they'll line up with the boxes. That's what helps me a lot. But yeah, let me. I don't know, was there news today? I don't think so, right? Is someone speaking? Because this thing is moving like someone's speaking. Oh, we have a couple FOMC. We have 5 FOMC members speaking today. That's probably why. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. 9:15 and 10. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day. Oh, let me catch up. How did he say? There's no way to get them to line up in Ninja. I can't find a way. Ninja's different. That's the reason why I don't like doing it on NinjaTrader, and I would prefer either directly on Tradeovate or TradingView, is because Ninja will do the grids or the boxes, like the 5-point boxes or whatever, by like the beginning of the day or whatever the data feed that you have. Apparently, that's what I know. Yes, ATS has a 30-day. Well, it doesn't have a. Well, actually, I don't know if ATS has a trial period. I think the monthlies have a trial period, but I don't know if ATS. That's something you'd have to ask in the Discord. Yeah, news earlier today. Okay. Is there a reason you don't use ATM with stop TP woman trail stop that moves after each box prints? I trade on TradingView. I just like manually doing it better, honestly. Some people are working on automating it, but it's only on NinjaTrader for now. I'm testing an automated version of this on of the manual strategy. That's what I've been automating. And if you guys see the profits like from last night, like I started at 1800 and it's basically hit every day. Well, it has hit every day the past 7 days. No, NinjaTrader you have to do it's by ticks. So I think it's 20 bucks because it's 20 ticks and 5 points. So you would have to put 20. But like, so just so you guys have an idea, see these blue lines. If you see a blue line, that means it's in a trade, and that's the trailing. That's the trade trailing, and this, so like this would have just gotten stopped down in profit here. This is a trade here. It would have gone stopped down in profit here. This is one trade right from here to here. It would have gone stopped down in profit here. This is another trade. Would have gone stopped down in profit here. This is another trade. Would have gone stopped in profit here. Another trade, stopped in profit here. Another trade, probably a break even or stopped in profit. Trade. Trade. Essentially the box where, I think it's like 2 boxes before like this blue line starts. So 1, 2. So like entry is like somewhere over here. Blue line, trail. It'll keep trailing until you see something like this, which it closed past it, and that would be a stop in profit. This is 9:30 right here. No trades over here, but then we see one right here. Just to give you guys a visual, that's like the automation. Nice. Is it open? No, it's still forward testing also. What are you testing? The TradingView or Ninja? Not Ninja. I'm doing it on TradingView. Like the reason why I'm doing it on TradingView is because there's a NinjaTrader version that's being forward tested right now. Let me see. So looking back, probably a break even, a small win trade. Actually, no, this is not oh, this was a breakout at the time. So small winning trade here because 2 boxes and then stopped at break even. Nothing here, nothing here. Wait for the bounce play. You get 4 boxes here. Another bounce play, we get 4 boxes. Another bounce play, we get 4 boxes. Another bounce play, we get 2 boxes. No breakout. Waiting for a bounce play here. See if these lines turn green. This could be another entry possibility. Here, there's nothing because we have green lines. Everything turned red here. This is a win. Nothing here. Does this strat fit with normal trailing drawdown? And just, I mean, normal trailing drawdown is normal trailing drawdown. We manually trade, or we trail our stop losses to account for trailing drawdown. It's like, this is a breakout. You got 3 boxes on that. If you got a bounce play, probably wait not this next box, but the following. So like the more you watch it move, like the more you'll see, okay, I can more or less guesstimate, you know, what next box or which box panel is going to give us all red, all green. Yeah, at some point there will be an automated version for both TradingView and Ninja. The one that's on NinjaTrader is just a tad bit different than the one I'm doing on TradingView, I'm sorry. But it's very, very similar. Ugh. But yeah, I'm running it wild and free on a demo. It's up like 5K right now on 1NQ. Yeah, so someone actually brought up a pretty good idea. I don't know if they're in here watching right now. She said, is there any way to put a bunch of orders like on the bottom or tops of the chart and then just drag them when you need them? You can, right? But again, you got to be careful with that, because if price moves too quickly, and let's say you have a bunch of orders sitting down here, like if price moves too quickly past that and you can't move them all like further down if you don't need them, like that could fuck you up. So as long as you're okay with that, like, so here's a buy here somewhere, the blue line. So it's in a buy right now. This is a trailing. So if it closing at 980, it'll close in profit. But okay, man, NQ can take off. Yeah, that's why I like trading it. I used to trade YM. YM is fucking, if you think NQ is crazy, YM. Dow Jones is insane. That shit'll have like 1,000-point moves sometimes. This thing, like a 300 or 400-point move on NQ. So like this is about a 300 to 400-point move, right? 450-point move. On YM, it was probably a 1,000-point move. YM is Dow Jones or US 30. That's the futures ticker for it. Bounce play, break even, bounce play. This is still in one trade right now though. So that blue line, that's the trailing stop loss from down here. So right now this thing is up about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $1,300, give or take. My biggest loss was today actually too slow change from 2NQ to 1NQ for a buy limit, so it cut the whole big win. Damn. Yeah, that happened to me too. That happened right. Somewhere over here it happened to me too. Yeah, but all these were nice trades. Obviously, it just depended on what time you got in. Like if you got in on this one, you got this entire move. If you didn't get on this one and you waited for this one, you possibly could have gone on this one. These two as well. I got in on some of these, I think, or one of these. Let me see. Yeah, so like, oh, this is where it happened to me. Like the sell and then I didn't change it quick enough, you know? So I got like a very small, like $180 win there. And then break even here for me. This one I fucked up on. This one I fucked up on pretty badly. But then we got a win here. And this is what put us above our PT here. So we had some small wins here. This was a break even. This was a small win right here. We took a loss. This was a win, loss, loss. So 2 losses, win, loss, win, break even, win, 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 break even, win. Yeah, I've never used Trader Post, so I wouldn't know. But if you're manually copying something over, like, okay, so it's in another trade again for buys. To use automation, so if you want the automated strategies, you need at least Elite. I did create a version of this manual strategy that you can trade by just having Pro, so like the cheapest plan, because I know obviously $500 is a lot of dough, but you get a 30-day money back guarantee, and I can almost guarantee you'll make more than $500 within the first month if you go about it the right way. Yeah, manual trading, like I said, if it would just depend on Trader's Post, I guess. Like most of my TV stuff is like I'm trading on one account. Today was just me trading on one account right now. When will I release the automated? The automation I'll probably release once I have like a month of data. It's only been 2 weeks. A lot can change in 2 weeks. So I think a month is a good starting point to at least, be able to share and be like, hey, this is it for the entire month, completely hands off. I didn't touch it one time, because that's what I'm doing, right? The reason why I haven't shared it isn't because I don't think it works, but it's because if I share it, there's bound to be people that will intervene with it or make subtle changes or do whatever, right? And that at that point, like, that forward testing data is not accurate, and we shouldn't use it. So that's the reason why I'm doing it by myself, because I know that I can just let it run and then just actually get accurate data, essentially. Not that I don't trust you guys, but again, people are going to change it no matter what. They're gonna find ways to try and make it better and all this stuff. It'll be for TradingView. The NinjaTrader version is still forward testing as well. Like, and the devs are doing that. Oh my god, my back. Anybody have any other questions at all? With Pro subscription, do you get all the indicators you're using now? No. For Pro, I'll show you. So for Pro, you get Momentum, Moneyball. I think you get Q Elite. I'm not sure. You get Pro V2. You get Q Grid, QCVD. Anything that has this strategy tab next to it, you do not get with Pro. So all of this, you get all these different strategies you get with Elite. But with Pro, what you'll do is let me make a new layout. Pro version here. So with Pro, what you get is, or what you would do, this is the setup you have for the manual trading if you were doing the Pro version, right? You get the Q Pro. You go to the settings, turn that off. You don't need any. Turn all the Q Cloud fill colors off. You can leave them on, I just don't like them. Take this off because that just makes it too much noise on the price scale. Q line you want to keep. All these bear alerts, bull alerts you want to take off. You want to take Q bands and Q wave off. Q band center line, Q cloud bear, Q cloud bull sign. Do you want to take those off? Okay, all right, perfect. And then for the Q line, I want to say it's 36 and then 3.9, I think. Yeah, 36 and 3.9. And you would literally just use this the same way as you would like that green breakout line. This is about as close as you're going to get to it. And sometimes we'll get you in a little bit earlier, like here, versus probably up here. Sometimes it won't get you in on a breakout yet, or it'll keep you from being in a breakout. Other times, there's slight differences, but the idea is the same. And as you can see, it's like starting at 9:30 right here, right? Breakout here for buys, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play. Breakout here for sells, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, sells, bounce play, sells. Like none of this we're looking for buys. We're only going for sells. Breakout here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 box move, bounce play for a break even, bounce play for a loss. Breakout right here. I'm sorry, right here for a break even, bounce play. We took a loss, 2 losses here, bounce play here, nothing here because of the green lines. Everything turned red here, so that would have just been a regular entry. Bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play. So you still have like that line. Like you would just go by the line. So like in this case, you go by that baby blue line, and then once we're above it, you go by the navy blue line. But for Pro, this is what you would need. The only difference is that there's no like shading. But yeah. Noob question, how many TV tabs can you have open with different alerts running, or does TV alerts continue to go? They will continue even if you don't have any chart open. But know that the more alerts you have, the quicker your cache, I don't know how to pronounce it, cache, whatever the fuck it's called, the quicker that fills up, and that can slow the process a little bit sometimes. Thank you, and then you use buy and sell stops with this, right? Yeah. Literally the same exact way we traded like about 30-ish minutes ago. Yeah, no problem. So this is a possible breakout here. How do you clear that? So to clear your cache here, you go to log. So when you go to your alerts, you go to log, and then you click this clear log button, right? Oh, these were the two trades that that hit TP for me last night on the automation. But you click cache and you click clear. Damn, another nice buy here. That blue line, whenever you see that blue line, that means that the automation would have gone in on that. It would be up like 6K, 7K on one NQ right now. It's kind of crazy for it. When you see like days like this, like bro, it'll catch like a majority of this move. But yeah, does anybody have any other questions before I hop off? Because we hit PT. It's now 10:30, which is still good. I mean, we're done trading before 10:30 again. So no more questions? Okay, people. Well, I appreciate everyone for joining. If you do want to join and use the same system, my affiliate link is in the description. So you guys can use that if you want to help out. Prop firms, those links are in the description as well. My number one go-to will always be Apex, just because they have a one-day pass and they can allow 20 funded accounts, which no other prop firm does that. Yeah, they have a trailing drawdown, but that's easy to go around. You just trail your stop loss the way that we do. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Doesn't sound like you need Elite. Thanks for doing what you do. You don't need it, but you're not going to get the same results. Like either a winning day. I mean, we've had a winning day every day with this. I don't know with Q Cloud, Q Lion if it would be a winning day every day. It most likely will be, right? But we've had a winning day every day with this system so far. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, like, subscribe, and make sure that when you subscribe, you turn on notifications so that you guys get the notification on your phone when I go live. So you don't have to wait for me to send the link and stuff. Okay. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for joining, and I will see you tomorrow. All right. Peace out, everybody. See ya.